Good afternoon. I am Mrs. Smita Jacob from UEI Global Pune. Today I am going to do a presentation on flower arrangement. Before we come to the actual flower arrangement, let's talk about what is the ingredients, the material that is used for making a flower arrangement. We first have the mechanics, the equipments, the containers, the foliage, the flowers and the fillers that is used for making flower arrangement. These are called as the mechanics. These make sure that the flowers remain in place. This is the floral tape, the cutter, the scissor. This is also called as chicken wire or wire mesh. This is the regular wire. This is mister. This is used for spraying water. Then we have the containers. We have the vases, the bamboo, the glass container, the candle stand. These are all used for keeping flower arrangement. We have floral foam, or we call it as oasis. We get this in the dry form, and when we soak it, we can use for making flower arrangement. Dry oasis is used for making dry arrangements, and the oasis which is soaked, it is used for making your fresh arrangements. Now comes to the fillers, the foliage and the flowers. Now this is called as foliage or the green leaves. We have palm, we have regular green leaves. This adds to the beauty of the arrangement. Then we have the filler flowers. Filler flowers can be anything. It can be baby spread. This one which is called as the paper flowers. We have different types of filler flowers. And finally we come to the main flowers. Here we have different colors of roses as well as carnation to make sure that your arrangement looks bright and beautiful. Now everything depends upon the creativity of the person who is making the arrangement to make it a beautiful and wonderful arrangement. But there are few points that you have to keep in mind while you are making an arrangement. First is the size of the container. It depends how big your arrangement is. The place where your arrangement is going to be kept, whether it's going to be a centerpiece, whether it's going to be a corner table, whether it's going to be on a buffet table. So your arrangements vary and there are different shapes and sizes to your arrangement. So today's first flower arrangement, we call it as low flat. The other term for it is also called as cozy. Okay? These are small arrangements which are kept on banquet tables, buffet tables, or on a regular round table. Now this arrangement is made on a very small container which has oasis. Now I've already prepped up my oasis. I've put the floral tape so that the oasis remains in place, and now I'll be starting with my arrangement. Always remember that the height of the container and the height of the arrangement, the flower height should not be more than 2/3. So I'll have an arrangement which is almost double the size. So there are two ways of doing the arrangement. Either you start with the leaves, or we call it as fillers. You can keep arranging the fillers. Start from the center and then start with all four sides. Now when you are making an arrangement or cutting any flowers or plant material, always have a diagonal cut. This gives more space area for the flowers to suck water or the plant material to absorb water. This is very important for the shelf life of the plant. Trim the unnecessary plant material and keep arranging them. Now remember that all the plant, because it is a low flat or we call it as a cozy, so my plant material should be of same length. So this gives me an idea that my arrangement will not be beyond this borders. Now I'll continue putting fillers. So I have the base ready. Now what I have to is fill the arrangement with flowers. Now I have to make sure that the flowers should not be above the foliage. So I can start with first now here I am using carnation, white carnation. So I will be putting the first one straight. Again I am putting a slant cut so that I can pierce the foam with the, make sure that the length of the flower should not be beyond the green. Prep the flowers if you think they are still in the bud stage. Then have a slant cut. Again, this is a bud. We can open the bud. And wherever there is gap, we can have it filled. Just make sure that here the flowers all should be at the same height. Now comes the filler flowers. The filler flowers also should be of the same height. So just make sure how tall it should be and start pressing the flowers right inside. Now the remaining place should be filled by your fillers. So I'll be filling all these gaps. So the whole point is that you should not be able to see your oasis. I can use a different plant material to get variation. This also helps in getting a texture, a color and a variety to the arrangement. Make sure that you do not get to see oasis anywhere. That is what would be your first aim. Nowhere you should be able to see your oasis. So this is what we call it a cozy or a low flat arrangement. Nowhere you can see the oasis, okay, and it is a tight arrangement. In continuation with the flower arrangement series, this arrangement is going to be crescent shaped, or we also call as semicircle or moon shaped. Okay, the whole arrangement would be in a semicircle. So I've used a container, a glass container, and fixed the oasis in it. Now I'll be choosing those plant material which already have a curve. Now this is a naturally curved stem. So I only have to arrange them properly. If any time you don't get the curved plants, you can always use such wires and curve the plant. are generally used on banquet tables or buffet. So this is our basic line. We will be filling this with fillers and flowers and foliage. Next, I'll take a glad. The shape will make a lot of matter, so I will be taking a curved one. This will also give it a bit height. Now this is your center flower. Always remember, put the bigger flowers right in the center. If you want bigger roses, just spread out the petals. In this way you will end up getting a bigger flower. Or what you can do is you can turn the petals. Just take care you don't damage it. Now I will fill in with the fillers in front. I have covered the back side of the arrangement. Now I will be putting in fillers. Keep in mind the basic shape. We are going to have a curve or a crescent shape. Once all these unwanted plant material is removed, you will be able to see the shape much better. Make sure it fills all the gaps. With this, your crescent shaped flower arrangement is ready. See, you can see the basics lined, it is semicircle. These are kept on banquet tables. This is basically a one-sided arrangement. So you can see I've used 3 different types of flowers as well as plant material. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.